Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Lenco DIR-200 internet radio and you want to adjust the backlight on the display. So you can basically have it on medium, on high, medium, or low, and then you can also adjust the timeout duration, whether you want it to stay lit for longer or shorter. So it's really easy to do. With it, basically, it needs to be turned on, and when it's turned on, we're going to press the menu button, and then we can navigate either with the controller or with the dial through the menu options. We're going to select the System Settings menu, and then we'll toggle through to, we'll hit OK, and then from System Settings, we'll toggle through to the Backlight option. And from Backlight, then we'll be able to choose both the backlight level and the timeout duration, which is how long this stays lit up when it is not being used. So it's really as simple as that, and then when you're done, you can just hit menu to exit out of it or hit back to back your way out of it. So there you go. Hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching.